Here it is. It's probably about 2 a.m. and the wind has finally died down. It was whipping so hard and raining. Finally, we got some rain come in with all that hurricane weather that come down from down there in Mexico and San Francisco and all that area down there on the bottom. I know that my sister said for the last 2 days they've been getting hammered down there in Henderson and Las Vegas, and we've had nothing but wind and sprinkle, while the Phoenix area and other places just been getting a whole lot of rain, while we here in Buckeye are just now finally seeing a little bit of the relief in the rain. Woohoo! I'm excited because usually it just goes over us. Sprinkle, sprinkle a day keeps the doctor away, or something like that or another. Anyway, a big old goofball here. I'm just excited to see the rain. Finally. This is so nice. It's been running 100 degrees here still. Hopefully this lowers the temperature and starts bringing in our fall weather. Oh, this is such an enjoyable sight. Thank you, Lord. I don't know if you can see it up there in the light. The rain coming down. Can you see it? Look at this. Finally. Neighbors ready for Halloween. Back around the corner, they ready for Halloween too. All the back neighbors got their houses decorated for upcoming holidays. Look at that rain coming down. Isn't that a nice sight to see? Oh, I can't tell you how exciting that is. I need to open my window, let some air in. Get out here and trim back the antennas. Cut back the trees to fall. It's a shame I won't be here next year. Yep, you heard that right. C'est la vie. On to better things. Here's my truck. It's has been come.